Oh!
Holy shit!
Holy shit, boy! Oh my god! What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. I'm here with Jack, as you can see in the back. We're just getting ready. We're gonna go drive out to North Bay. We're gonna do some walleye fishing, so stay tuned for that. I'll show you the setup. So this is the truck. It's a beautiful 2003 Mercedes, full to the tits. Yeah, can't get better than this. There you go. You like that?
Good stuff.
See you on the road. We're 3 minutes out from the spot.
3 minutes till I come. Ah! What's happening, guys? We're fishing Tillicum Bay for some walleye on Lake Nipissing, as normal people call it. It's gonna be a sick video.
Hopefully we catch a nice 30-inch walleye, Jack.
Might be walleye, dude.
Always the worst time.
Yeah. There you go. Bigger.
Oh yeah, this is nice. Whatever this is.
That's our slot, baby. We'll measure up.
Definitely in the slot.
You might even be over. You might not a problem I have.
Whoever called, thank you. This is what we're looking for, guys. Right here. Oh, Jack! Go, 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 go! Look at this fatty. Boys, we're eating good tonight. Go, Jack! Keep it going.
How many there are? Is this...
Yep. This little guy.
Still down there? Oh yeah.
Yep. Yoo-hoo.
Nice, beautiful perch.
That one?
Yep.
Yes, sir. Smashing the perch. I love it.
That'd be a walleye, I was thinking.
Oh, yeah?
Yep.
Think walleye?
Not bad.
Ooh, that might be an eater. Check it out.
He's gonna be just shy. 14 and a half. That was a fun little fight on there. Nice little walleye.
Yep. Yep. Oh, eater, baby!
No way.
Already. Get it, Jack! Oh my God! Yeah!
There you go, baby.
Beauty.
Well, there's one sliding in the water.
Yep.
There we go.
Come on, baby.
This thing.
Dink?
There's a bigger mark.
Oh!
Holy shit!
Holy shit, boy!
Oh my
God! The biggest perch I've ever seen!
Holy shit!
That's gotta be like a 12 and a half.
That thing's
Oh,
huge.
damn.
The north side of the lake is known for having big perch like that. But holy shit. I wonder if that's the big mark you saw down there.
That's
That thing is slabby, man. Jeez.
What's your guesses?
Like it's at least 12 inches.
13? What is it?
That's basically 12.
12.
It's a hair under.
You gonna bonk him?
Yeah.
Bonk.
Get here. I just whiffed one. I just whiffed on one.
Yup.
Good one?
I think so. Good enough.
Let me get this up.
You hit it good.
I saw that,
Come on,
buddy.
Greg.
Oh yeah. Ooh.
That's a keeper, bud. That's a keeper.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, he was on me and I wasn't paying attention. He slacked my line.
Jeez.
Living it
what
up
a
for the day.
beauty.
Prime time has not even hit yet.
Let's show the camera
that.
this. So look at this, boys.
On the rattle bait.
What a nice size.
That's a good fish.
There's no one's over
Oh,
that.
he's just in.
Well, I could tell by the drag feeling on that one. I'm like, that's no jumbo. That's dope. They're fired up right now.
Well, we got dinner tonight, Jack.
Yes, sir.
The screen is mesmerizing. Can't stop looking. Oh, she did a full circle. Oh, coming. Oh shit, she's shooting over the left.
Just take one of us. That's all I can.
Oh! Play your cool, please. No! No!
Pike. I think so. Multi-species.
Oh, it's a big man. Oh, he wants that sucker. Oh, he had it.
It's a smallmouth.
Sound production.
That one? Nice. Woo! Yep.
Got him?
Yep.
Better fish?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, nice fish. Look at this guy. It's all good.
Is that a perch?
Yeah.
Holy shit!
What'd you think it was?
I had no idea. I just saw the rod doubling over and I set the hook.
Hey, you're good.
Just didn't want to lose dinner.
Beauty. Ooh. Yep.
There you are.
Oh, this is a nice one.
Nice one?
Oh yeah. Oh, monster. Look at this beautiful walleye.
Is he on there?
Look at him, look at this thing move.
There you go. Walleye?
I don't know, but
Gotta be. Oh, buddy!
there we go. Nice, beautiful walleye. Oh yeah.
Just set up a good video. Be like, got him to bite.
We got him. Grr.
Nothing
Oh,
against him.
oh. Something's hitting me.
Yep. There you go, buddy. Walleye, you think? Oh yeah. That might be another slot.
Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down.
Guys, look at this beauty.
Rawr.
Are you putting minnows on that bank?
Rawr. No.
Oh, just
Rawr.
So guys, this is the setup. This is the chef. Look at those beautiful fillets right there. That's some walleye and perch, fresh caught, fresh eaten out on the ice.
It's still moving, look. Ooh.
This is our beautiful olive oil that's frozen.
Oh, that's peanut oil.
Oh wait, yeah, that's right. It's our peanut oil that's frozen. Looks appetizing.
Subscribe.
Tillicum Bay. Think Gordon Ramsay has walleye this fresh?
No.
Plane ride to London takes longer than this thing's been dead.
Beautiful pieces of fish, man. Delicious.
Yeah.
Know when they make the pizzas in Italy?
Hoppa!
They just look so good. They're so crispy, perfectly salted. The best thing you can ask for.
Oh, I'm making a sandwich with that bastard.
Dinner is served. We got fish on a little sandwich with some hot sauce. Chef's choice.
Oh yeah.
How does it feel to eat your
Warm
first
food.
meal after like 10 hours?
Exquisite.
Gordon Ramsay approved?
Better than Gordon Ramsay approved. That is wonderful. After not eating much today.
I know the viewers are jealous. Ooh, goddamn. Look at that. Out of 10?
I give it 8.5 because if we had coleslaw right now on this, it would be unfair.
Who's Rod?
Nothing's happening.
What do you mean? Hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. Please don't forget to smash the like button, comment down below, and subscribe.
Mish, just take a moment and think of where the we are and what time it is. We're different.
Well, yeah,
Yeah.
but that's a good thing though.
Built different. Oh. Are you hitting bottom or just hovering above?
Hovering above. But sometimes that periodically will hit bottom, like if they haven't come. Yeah? Nice. Woo!
What the?
Oh, the salamander fish! That's an ugly mother. Ugh. Look at it.
It's an axolotl.
Ugh. Look at him.
Get a close up of this guy.
Oh, buddy, I'm pretty close.
I was like, why does that bite feel so weird? And then like it just acted like weird. It acted like the lure was wrapped up. Holy multi-species.
Yep.
Nice.
I love how he just smashed on the camera. Look at this, guys, on the rattle. What a beauty. I'm gonna send him back down, just short of the slot size, but this is a perfect eater anywhere else. Woo, baby! Almost a double header, but not a double header.
I know, he was waiting for his friend to come back, waiting his turn to come up.
Oh, I lost him.
Careful.
He slipped out of my hand.
That's fine, that's fine. He was about the same as everything else today.
Yeah.
He touched him, I'll call him caught.
Yeah, good job. Got one, Jack. Hope so. It was a big mark.
Yes, sir.
Beautiful walleye.
Got him.
You got one? Oh, you got the big one. Is it big?
No, it got caught in the light. It was big.
What light? Oh.
Oh, you kidding me?
Yep.
There you go.
Oh, he hit good.
Yes, it is.
Oh, he hit like a tank.